Hello and welcome to the channel. We are doing a long vowel I sounds. We have already covered the words which end in E and how that E tells us that the vowel I is producing its long vowel I sound and not its short vowel I sound. We are going to do some more words of the which end in E and we'll do something new today. So let's begin with repetition of the words which end in E. This is lesson number 25. Let's write 5. If I have to write 5, I'm going to hear the sounds of the word f, f. So I write F. Now 5, you hear the clear sound of I. So you put I, 5. So for I, v. And then you hear the sound of v and you put v here. Now 5. Now hopefully it ends. Now it doesn't. Because you heard the sound of long vowel I, the word is going to end in E. So there's going to be 5 with an E in the end, which does not produce a sound. It is telling us when we are going to read this word, we are going to produce the sound of I as I and not E sound. Nine, n sound, n, nine, I sound, I, nine, ending with n again. But again, this is not the last alphabet. It is going to end in E because we heard the long vowel I sound. This is 5 and this is 9. SM is going to blend its sound. So SM is going to become smr, not s and m. It's going to blend the sound. It becomes smr, I, smile, and then l, smile. So this is 5, 9, and smile. Now let's do something new. What is it? We have done the words which have two vowels together, and we know in most of the cases the first vowel produces its long vowel sound. Now let's do the words which have two vowels, but the first vowel is going to be our I, and now this I is going to produce its long vowel I sound. The family is I, E. I and E are together. Now because the first vowel that we have is I, this becomes I sound together for IE. This word is I, lie. Lie is something which is not true. So he lied to his mom. This is lie. Again, two vowels together. The first one is I. I is going to produce its long vowel I sound. So this becomes T, I, tie. I tie my shoelaces. So this is tie. And the next one is pie. We have two vowels I and E. First one is I, so long vowel I sound. I, pie. I ate my pie. Now let's do some sentences. It's a statement. So it will begin with a capital and end in a period. He, her, e, he. Now this word is ending in e. So this A is going to produce its long vowel A sound, which is A. So ate becomes ate. He ate the, our sight word, pie. He ate the pie. There's a question mark in the end. Looks like it's a question. So did. The becomes did. This is not going to be long vowel I sound. This is short vowel I sound, which is I sound. Did. Did you, our sight word. Did you lie? So somebody is asking, did you lie? This is a question. It will begin with a capital and end with a question mark. And we are done with the words which have IE, and next we are going to do the words which have Y in the end, and how that Y acts as a vowel and it produces a sound of I, that is long vowel I sound. I hope to see you soon in the next lesson. Bye.